I've done the water taxi at least 5 years in a row, such a fun way to see the city and great information. We did have an issue last year with a boat. That day it was not handled great, but every business is going to have an off day and things happen. I had spoken with Greg the manager the following day and he was great, issued the appropriate refund and encouraged us to return in the future. While in FLL this year, we reached out to book our trip as was promised. I did not speak with Greg right away and initially was denied the trip, as I had not followed up. Fortunately, Elisa followed up with Greg and called me back. That was totally unexpected and appreciated, to honor the trip. Not only is it a great way to spend the day, with knowledgeable guides and captains, but the back-end operations and customer service is doing the right thing as well. Thanks to Elisa and Greg. My husband and I really enjoyed it. It was a full day. There are 12 stops on the water taxi. The crew were very nice. Very informative. It was mind-blowing to see the mega mansions and boats. The cost was $38 per person. Restaurant at F1 was really nice. We had happy hour wraps on drinks. Our only complaint was at the end of the tour at night they made us get off the taxi to take it out of service. They said it would only be a 10 minutes wait for the next one. It was 35 minutes and there was no bathroom. Took taxi on my first full day of vacation to get the lay on the land. This was a great way to complete that. I greatly enjoyed a stop at a state park. Highly suggest taking layers of clothing as the temp can change greatly throughout the day and night. Staff were phenomenal about ensuring people were on the correct boat. Great value. I had the pleasure of a short trip with just another passenger and the pilot and staff were very engaging. Highly recommend. My family and I had a wonderful experience on the water taxi. Instead of using the hop-on/hop-off option, we chose the 3-hour round trip, which was the perfect way to enjoy our time on the water. We also appreciated being able to store our luggage at headquarters before heading to the airport. It made our travel day so much easier. The staff was fantastic, friendly, welcoming, and incredibly helpful. We would absolutely recommend this experience. It was a fun and new adventure. If you like being on the water, relaxing and exploring, this is the perfect way to do it. It's easy, fun, and everybody from the captains to the tour guides are very friendly and knowledgeable. You should ride the double-decker if you can. The view while up top are unobstructed. They have restrooms and sells a variety of drinks. Excellent. Drinks, cocktails only $8 on board. Very happy, learned a great deal. Note that at Dock 7, there was a taxi out front. It was empty, giving impression no one here. I called the taxi number, told me it's like there for maintenance. Few minutes later the active taxi came up. Was a great day all around. If I were to make a suggestion, it would be to have stanchions in place to form lines BC when a certain number of seats, 10, are available on the next boat and there are more people, 25, waiting to board. It could get ugly without a system in place. Water taxi was smooth sailing, great captains, friendly, upbeat, and have a wonderful narrative of what we were seeing. Give yourself at least 5 to 6 hours to take just the Fort Lauderdale tour and get off at a stop to explore. Don't miss Las Solnas at stop F2 and F1.